Tax Tip Tuesday is brought to you by PorterKinney, the Tri-Cities premier CPA firm.
It is 6:39. You're watching Wake Up Northwest, and it is time for Tax Tip Tuesday. This morning, we are joined by Monique Hauck with PorterKinney. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good. You were just bright and shiny on this first day of spring, so thanks for coming in. Let's start with record keeping. We want to talk about tax documents and how long you should be holding on to all that stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So the majority of us should keep our tax documentation for 3 years.
Okay.
So for example, if I filed my taxes this month, I would keep them until March of 2021.
Perfect.
Now there are certain situations where you should keep them longer. So
Okay.
for example, if you filed a bad tax debt, so you would need to keep those for 4 years. Or if you filed, a fraudulent tax return, the IRS.
Let's hope that doesn't happen.
The IRS, makes you keep them forever.
Right.
But let's be honest, Morgan, if you're filing tax fraud, are you thinking about keeping up with your tax records?
Probably not. This is true. And we can tie this all into our spring cleaning. Maybe keep like a little folder, keep all this stuff organized would be a good idea, I would assume.
Definitely.
So what are some tips or advice that you have for people that are trying to keep all these documents?
Well, absolutely. So first, the easiest way would be to file them in a filing cabinet in just a single file folder.
Okay.
So you can file your previous tax returns, your W-2s, your bank statements, everything, including your tax documentation.
Okay.
Or some people might put it into Excel, or with the evolution of technology, you might just scan everything into your computer so it's readily accessible at any point in time, just in case there's a tax audit,
Right.
or just for the next tax season.
Especially if you e-file, that would be a good way to do it, huh?
Definitely. Now, for larger businesses, there's software out there like QuickBooks, or if
Okay.
they want to stick to the filing system, they can just, have it by month. So all the transactions done in January, you put in the January folder, and everything in February, and so on. So you can keep them separated for the whole year.
All right. All great advice. Thank you so much, Monique. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.